Hi friends, select a background according to your concept. Unselect filters and add black and white filters. Now select the adjustment and make the exposure and vignette a little bit darker. Add keyframes to the main layer by zooming in and zooming out. In add sticker layer, insert another element. Select the blending mode and choose lighten option. Now select the mask option and select the linear and crop it as required. Choose the element layer and place it in the right position. Add effects to the main layer as shown in the video. Let's add a music now. Select a music layer and add sound effects to the element layer. Select the element layer and speed up the duration. Now again select the music layer and add the required music. Here you go.